So what are the organs which are involved in circulation? Here I have made some, but you can tell me by looking at the diagram. So this is our, what then we call it as the heart. हम heart की action करते हैं. That is the main organ of the body which pumps the blood. So heart हम बोलते हैं, किसी को हमें एग्जाम आती है तब हमारा हार्ट धड़धड़ करता है. Isn't it? So heart कहाँ पे है? To the left side of the body. Right? Then we are going to learn in this the different blood vessels and also the blood and the lymph part. So in circulatory system or in particular transport system, we are looking into all these parts step by step. Okay. So coming back to our heart, हमारा heart. So everybody, सब लोग कैसे बताएंगे? Where is the location of the heart? That is the left side of the body. Yes. What is the size of the heart? किसी को पता है? Yes. It's about our मुट्ठी जितना अपना heart है.
Fist.
बच्चे की मुट्ठी yes, अपना fist जितना अपना heart. So in human beings, heart is generally of 4 chambers. So heart, human beings में 4 chambers. What about fishes? आपको क्या लगता है fishes कैसे breathe करते होंगे? Fishes पानी में रहते हैं तो उनका heart they have 2 chambered heart. And what about frogs? Do you have any idea? No, they have 3 chambered heart. Yes, so frogs have 3 chambered heart. Fishes have 2 chambered heart. And humans have 4 chambers of heart. When I say 4 chambers of heart, मतलब अपना heart we have 4 sections. The upper sections are known as atrium, and the lower sections are called as ventricles. So the right side of the part is referred to as right atrium. I can write down spelling atrium. That is upper part of the heart. The right side is right atrium. Left side is left atrium. Both of them, atrium is a singular word, atria is a plural word. So heart consists of 4 chambers. You can revise after me. Right atrium, left atrium, whereas the right ventricles and left ventricles. So 4 chambers, one again, once more. Once again, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. So heart usually in human heart is usually divided into 2 parts: atrium, upper part, ventricles, lower part. 4 chambers once again: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay. What is the function of actually? What will be the function of this heart? क्या function हो सकता है heart का? क्या role है heart का in the body?
To purify the blood?
No, heart is not purifying the blood.
Okay.
Heart is just a pumping organ.
Okay.
So आप लोगों ने सुना होगा heart transplant के बारे में. Heart transplant का मतलब क्या? Heart का कोई part is not working. That times it can be replaced. Our blood is being purified in the lungs, not in the heart. So heart is just a pump that pumps the blood throughout the body. So heart, we have studied that are 2 parts that we have implemented. So right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. So basically all these heart, या फिर हमने और पंपिंग ऑर्गन के अलावा अदरवाइज उसका साउंड सुना होगा. हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं अगर बीमार है तो डॉक्टर स्टेथोस्कोप लगाता है अलग अलग जगह पे. ही इज आस्किंग अस टू ब्रीथ इन एंड टू ब्रीथ आउट. यहाँ पे रखे बोलता है सांस दो, सांस छोड़ो. वो हमारे हार्ट की स्पीड को या फिर हार्ट की साउंड को सुनता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट स्टेथोस्कोप. सब लोगों ने स्टेथोस्कोप देखा होगा. स्टेथोस्कोप का एक बल्ब है, वो हमारे हार्ट की तरफ रखता है. When we ask us, yes, we have that this stethoscope. So this is stethoscope. Doctors usually this type is being placed, and this part is being kept on the left side of the body. So by that sound, we can easily make out the heart is pumping dub, dub, dub. Isn't it? Actual sound is dub, dub, but we just heard dub, dub, dub. So बोलते हैं ना, that is मजाक मस्ती में बोलते हैं माधुरी दीक्षित को देख के सब लोग यू नो धक धक कर. Why that is called? Because heart उसको देख के ज्यादा जोर से पंप करता है. So pump करना, that means that's an important function of the heart. It pumps the blood throughout the body. So heart basically is also covered with the membrane. Why there is a need for that membrane? Anyone from you? कि उसको जरूरत है किसी और चीज से कवर करने की? Okay, usually membrane क्या कर सकता है? This is the basic structure of heart. अगर membrane उसके आजू बाजू है तो it is protecting that particular organ. So the pericardial membrane which is present around the heart, it is protecting heart from the shock. है ना? So that means this membrane is having some pericardial fluid. वो थोड़ा heart को shock absorbing जैसा काम करता है. And this is how the heart is protected. So a heart is a muscular organ which is having two parts, which is having four chambers in humans. Again, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, with the membrane covering that is pericardial membrane. That is why it has been the pericardial membrane also has pericardial fluid by which the heart is being protected. Understood? Up to this? Yeah. Oh.
एक क्वेश्चन है मैम. We know that frog also lie in mammal.
Huh?
Okay, and we are also mammal.
Yes.
So why frog have three chambered heart and we have four chambered heart?
Yes. Frog is an amphibian and we are mammals. There are certain criteria, there are certain features which distinguish between these two classes.
Okay.
So we are fall in the category class Mammalia and frog fall in the category called as amphibian.
Okay, so they are not.
They have different specific features, but they are categorized in that particular.
But we correlate our human body with the frog body, right?
Yes, all the basic structure and the different organs which are placed in the body are the same.
Okay.
Just
Blue whale is also mammal,
yes,
right?
Yes.
But frog is amphibian.
Yes, frogs and
Okay, fine.
fishes are passes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. So multicellular bat, you can take an example of a crocodile bat. That is a mammal. Penguin is a mammal.
Okay.
So there are certain criteria, there are certain features by which we categorize, we classify these organisms into different classes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Can you differentiate between deoxygenated and oxygenated blood in the heart?
Coming to that.
Yeah.
Up to this part is clear?
Yeah.
So there are two types of blood which is flowing in the body. So when we have a transport system, तो transport का कोई medium भी तो होना चाहिए. So what is that medium? That is blood. So there are two types of blood: oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Right of this.
Yeah.
So oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, that is important part which we are learning now. So blood, which is red color wala fluid in the body, which is deoxygenated and oxygenated. Can you guess the meaning by understanding by spelling itself? Oxygen. You know the word oxygen. What is that?
It's an element.
Oxygen is an element, correct? Oxygen is a gas which we breathe in.
Okay.
Whereas carbon dioxide is given out in the process of respiration or breathing, we call it as. So oxygenated blood means blood carries oxygen.
Okay.
When we breathe in, all the air which in the air oxygen is being taken in the body. And deoxygenated blood means our carbon dioxide which is releasing from the body is getting mixed with the blood. So oxygenated blood means it is the presence of oxygen in the blood. So blood में जो है that is hemoglobin which we are coming to that part later in the chapter. So oxygen is being mixed with the blood. That blood is known as oxygenated blood. Whereas deoxygenated blood मतलब उसमें oxygen नहीं है. So it is containing carbon dioxide in the blood. जैसे हमको पता है कि every time we breathe in, we take in oxygen, and when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. So every time मतलब हर बार cells को जरूरत है oxygen का. So when we breathe in, we take up oxygen जितना कुछ है, and that is mixed with blood which is circulating in my body and provided to each part of the cell which is deprived of that oxygen. Okay. Whereas all the time when I am exhaling, that is I am giving carbon dioxide out, which is also mixed with the blood and it is being given out. So this is how this transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide from the body, from the blood to the outside is being happening. So this is the main part which is being observed during the process known as circulation. So oxygenated blood which is being circulated throughout the body and deoxygenated blood is being collected from the body parts. Isn't it?
Okay. What if oxygenated blood get mixed with deoxygenated blood?
You only tell me what will happen. अगर ऑक्सीजन वाला ब्लड हमें चाहिए डीऑक्सीजनेटेड के साथ ही मिक्स हो गया ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बाहर निकला ही नहीं व्हाट डू यू थिंक थोड़ा sluggish हो जाएगा if it gets mixed the organism becomes sluggish so frog is sluggish why there is no separation between oxygenated and deoxygenated blood in his अगर वो दोनों मिक्स हो रहे हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा sluggish है धीरे धीरे है right? Whereas look at the fishes, look at the humans. They are always many times